Nature of Science by Diego, Robert, and Alex.
In general, the nature of science refers to key principles and ideas which provide a description of science as a way of knowing as well as the characteristics of scientific knowledge.
Empirical evidence. Evidence gathered in the field.
Scientific method. Purpose. State the problem. Research. Find out about the topic. Hypothesis. Hypothesis. Predict the outcome to the problem. Experiment. Develop a procedure to test the hypothesis. Analysis. Record the results of the experiment. Conclusion. Compare the hypothesis to the conclusion.
Independent variable. The variable that is being changed in an experiment. Dependent variable. The dependent variable is the variable that is being changed.
Independent variable influences change in the dependent variable.
Pseudoscience. A collection of beliefs, practices mistakenly regarded as being based on scientific method.